In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name columns in Google Sheets. If you're organizing a spreadsheet, giving each column a clear name is one of the most important first steps. Column names help you understand what kind of information belongs in each section. And they also make your sheet much easier to read later on. Whether you're creating a customer list, a budget tracker, or any other kind of table, naming your columns properly will keep everything neat and organized. To get started, open your Google Sheet and look at the top row of your spreadsheet. In most cases, this top row is where column titles are placed. Now click the top cell of the column you want to name. For example, if you're naming the first column, click cell A1. This selects the cell where your header, or column name, will go. Once that cell is selected, type the name you want for your column. For example, you might enter something like customer name. The text you type should describe the kind of information that will go underneath that column. So if the column will contain names, a label like customer name makes perfect sense. If it's for dates, totals, or email addresses, make sure the title matches the data you plan to add. After typing the column name, press Enter on your keyboard. This confirms the text and places the name into the cell. Your column is now labeled, and you can repeat the same process across the rest of the top row for any additional columns you want to create. A helpful tip is to keep your column names short but specific. Clear labels make your spreadsheet easier to scan and reduce confusion when you're entering or reviewing data. It's also a good idea to use consistent naming so your sheet looks professional and stays easy to manage. That's all it takes to name columns in Google Sheets. It's a simple step, but it makes a big difference in how usable and organized your spreadsheet will be. Thanks for watching.